Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change buttons mapping on Hori Racing Wheel Apex. To this, first you'll need to download an app called Hori Device Manager. You can check our first setup video on this wheel if you're interested on how to do it. Now, when you have this app installed, we want to click on our wheel. And then we can basically select the buttons mapping right here and click on wheel button mapping. And here select whichever buttons you want to remap. In this case, let's go for this one. And now we can select to which button it will change. So for example, we can go for A like this. And then now we can click on this arrow back and our settings should be already applied. Let's just go back and see if this actually changed. Yep, now it's changed to A. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.